I think we should start a new hashtag. Forge Failure Fridays. On the positive, it almost forge welded. Hey YouTube, it's been a long day. We got our inspection out, finally. I know a lot of you were waiting on that. What are we doing today? Well, they say that necessity is the mother of invention. And today, I'm going to clear off the welding table a little bit. We're going to get this stupid propane forge thing out of the way. We're going to clear off, put a little charcoal in the forge. We're going to light it up, and we're going to build something that I desperately need. And it's going to use some scrap. So let's get started. All right, this vitally important and this project of critical nature. We're starting with some 1/8 inch by 1 inch strap. Let's see, where do I want it? Somewhere, I think I want this. That's probably far enough, whatever. Not important. Well, I'm sorry, it's critically important. Critically important. Okay, we're going to very accurately bend this right in half. Come on. Okay. Okay, didn't see that coming. That ain't gonna work. This is why the order of operations is so important. I screwed up. I did not expect this to happen. So none of this is, welded obviously, but yeah, I should have folded. I don't know what I should have done first, but I should have done something different. But here's an interesting thing. I may have. Nope, it didn't. Came close. Yep, see, I got the shiny. Oh well. Well, it's late and I'm not going to start over, but this is, oh well. I guess this project's just going to have to be done at another day because this just didn't work out. I'll have to give it some thought. Yeah. Oh well, it's a failure. At least now I know one way not to do what I was trying to do. And you may never know what I was trying to do because I may never come back to this. Anyway, not everything's a success, and I'm all right with that. So, I'm going to be thinking about this and how to do it right, or how to get it to do what I was trying to get it to do. But it was basically, I did something out of sequence, and yeah. See, this is me sitting here thinking about it already. Anyway, that's it for tonight. I know you can't give this a big old thumbs up because it's a big failure, but you know, I guess you could try. But yeah, I wanted to fire up the forge. I've been wanting to for a long time. I actually have some stuff I need to make, and the propane is just not floating my boat. And I'll get into that in another video as to what I had to re-examine why I wanted to get into the blacksmithing stuff to begin with. And the propane forge does the exact opposite. So anyway, that's it. If you got any comments, leave comments. If you're not subscribed, give it a subscribe. Tomorrow we will probably be back on the Ranchero because I really want to get the Ranchero. I need to get the Ranchero to where we can get it out of the garage. And even if that means rolling it out and just putting a blue tarp on it, that's one thing, but I'd really like to get it to a point where we can drive it to the backyard and park it when we're not working on it. Yeah, so anyway, until next time, bye. I'm just going to call that ruined.